What's going on, everybody? Ben Beecher here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're outside this beautiful Nauteak S21. It's 2023 model. We'll be going inside in a second. Just want to take a minute to walk around the outside. You can kind of see this boat. What a great boat for Lake of the Ozarks or any other lakes. Nice deep front end. Not going to be gulping water over the front. You got a big bimini with surf pockets up on top, so not just a great sun protector, but extra storage for all the boards. You walk down the side here. See this beautiful color they picked out on this boat, very sharp. Okay, we get to the back of the boat here. You have your Nauteak surf system. Nauteak's go-to in the surf world to make a great wake that they've been known for quite some time. You got your surf pipe back here, and this model is equipped with a steer assist and a boarding ladder. Okay, let me get back here. You have your swim platform. To walk up the back, we have this prep area right back here. Whether you're strapping into a board or just kind of sitting, hanging out, you got a great area for that. Okay. Also, you have a nice wide walkway into the back of the boat here. You can see with the brown sea deck, it's really, the contrast is really sharp on this boat. All right, we come in. I have this seat out right now, so it can kind of be as a rear looker. Somebody can kind of look out the back and watch more people looking out the back as you surf, do some water sports out the back. And a nice step into the boat. Okay. We can close this forward, and then we can just slide it forward to the back of this. There you go. You have a nice seating area there. Also, this backrest here is up. You can lay it down to complete this bench seat through here. Then underneath here, you have your air dam for the front and a nice big storage area with a subwoofer. Okay. Over here at the helm, you have Nauteak's race inspired seat here. All right. It is bolster, so this comes up. Bolster seat, or you can hang your leg over the edge and face backwards. Then you also have your touchscreen dash, and if you'd rather, you can use your buttons there. It's all redundancy. Okay, you got a nice mirror right there looking back at your skiers. And once again, I cannot stress enough the amount of sun coverage this bimini offers. It's awesome. You have Nauteak's strapless board racks on this one, and the rear facing speakers on the flight control tower. Coming up here to the front, go through the windshield. See, once again, a nice big deep open bow. You can sit kids up here, nobody's gonna be falling out. Very safe up here, taking on big water wherever you're at. And this one does have the bow filler cushion. Once again, Ben Beecher at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this beautiful 2023 Nauteak S21. Thanks, have a great day.